Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Nkem, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my butterfly locks. And this is actually the first time, this is my first time trying these butterfly locks. I've not done it before, so let's just go into this video. Please guys, while you're watching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and give me a thumbs up guys. Also leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video. To make these butterfly locks, I'm going to use kinky to do mine, but you can use the water wave hair to do yours. And I'm just going to show you guys how I make this hair, everything, the whole process. Like this first one, I did not braid the hair before I start doing the butterfly locks, but you can use the crochet method. You can braid the hair. I think the third one I'm going to show you guys, I actually did braid the hair before I did start the whole process of the butterfly locks. So you want to just keep on watching guys, so you see everything I did in this video, and also how I see the end of those butterfly locks. For the quantity of kinky I used, I bought 2 pack, and I used some of the kinky that I already have before now to complete it. But if you want to get kinky to make this hairstyle, you can get 3 pack or 4 packs. I cannot say that I use 3 pack, because the ones I have before, I don't know how many they are, so I just used everything together. Okay, to make to give this hair the butterfly effect, you guys are saying that I'm using my thumb to give it that effect that it has. And the more of the butterfly look you want it to have, the quicker you put your thumbs in between and just wrap. So I'm just going to repeat this process again and then show you guys everything. I just want you guys to watch and then grab the whole process, because it is not so difficult. It is easy. You just need to wrap, put your thumb in between to get a butterfly effect and all of that. So guys, keep on watching. To secure the ends of this butterfly locks, first of all, I'm going to take my measurement just to make sure it is equal, because you don't want one to be longer than the other. We're not doing that here. So after taking my measurement, I'm going to then wrap upwards. Now I'm going to wrap upwards, and after wrapping, you can either decide to cut out the excess part that is left, or you just still wrap everything upwards. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. just wrap everything upwards. And if you want to like use glue to like secure it, hold it down, you can do that, but I did not use glue because you guys know when it comes to kinky, it just tends to like tight, like I don't know how to explain it, but that is what it is. Okay. And she carried this hair for long. She's still carrying the hair as I'm doing this voiceover. She's still carrying the hair and it did not unravel. Okay. So after braiding it, at this point you can use like the crochet method, like use a crochet hook to crochet your kinky through the hair before you start, wrapping and doing your butterfly locks. But I still did not use the crochet method. I just did my thing, guys. Like, you can do whatever works for you.
was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my.
And yeah, guys, this is what we have. This is the final look. The hair is neat. The hair is beautiful. I love how rough it is, you know, this butterfly look. I just love how it is. And this is it for this installation, guys, or this is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please do not forget, give this video a huge thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind.